a drop of blood, a strand of hair, a single cell. That's all it takes to solve the impossible. DNA forensics changed the face of criminal investigations forever. Today, we'll explore how DNA becomes the ultimate witness, how it's collected, decoded, matched, and used to bring justice to life. Let's dive in. Welcome to MindSeedWorld, where curiosity sprouts into knowledge. In 1986, Professor Alec Jeffreys made a discovery that changed everything. He realized that every person has a unique DNA pattern, except identical twins. His technique helped solve the first criminal case ever cracked using DNA. The Colin Pitchfork case in the UK. Forensic science had just gained its most powerful tool. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the instruction manual for life, built from 4 chemical letters, A, T, C, and G. These letters pair up in sequences that make you who you are, and that unique sequence becomes your biological barcode. At a crime scene, investigators collect anything that may hold DNA, from cigarette butts to coffee cups. Every item is handled carefully to avoid contamination. Even a single stray cell could compromise the truth. Every piece of evidence must be documented, sealed, and tracked, a process called the chain of custody. This ensures the DNA sample's path can be verified in court. If one step is missed, the evidence could be thrown out. To study DNA, scientists first break open the cells to release it. The process involves detergents and enzymes that separate DNA from proteins. The result is pure genetic material, ready for analysis. PCR, polymerase chain reaction, is the photocopier of genetics. It makes millions of identical copies from even the tiniest sample. Without PCR, modern forensic science simply wouldn't exist. The amplified DNA is separated into fragments that form distinct patterns. Each person's pattern is unique, like a barcode made of genes. If they match, the probability of coincidence can be as small as 1 in billions. DNA profiles are stored in systems like CODIS, which connects unsolved crimes nationwide. When a new DNA sample enters the system, it's automatically checked against millions of profiles. A match can reopen cases that were cold for decades. The Golden State Killer was identified after 40 years using genealogical DNA. Over 300 people were freed from prison thanks to DNA evidence proving their innocence. For some, DNA means freedom. For others, justice finally served. Police can now trace suspects through relatives who used genealogy websites. It's like catching a criminal through their cousin's DNA. But this raises deep privacy questions. DNA isn't infallible. Contamination, poor storage, or lab mistakes can create false results. Even a sneeze can introduce someone else's DNA. That's why results must be verified by multiple analysts. New AI systems can predict a suspect's appearance from their genes. They can estimate skin tone, eye color, and even ancestry. It's not perfect, but improving fast. Old evidence once considered useless is now a goldmine for DNA. Even degraded samples can reveal hidden clues with modern tech. It's history rewritten through molecules. The ethical debate continues. Should your genetic data be public, even if you've done nothing wrong? Balancing privacy and justice may be the hardest case yet. Tomorrow's forensics may use portable DNA scanners at crime scenes, solving cases in real time. The code of life may one day become the ultimate witness for all humanity. Curious about something we covered today? Drop your questions in the comments. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-expanding science. Keep wondering, keep learning. MindSeedWorld.